Okay, here we are, ready to go for the first Maiden here of the Skydio 2. I'm all connected. I'm actually connected through the beacon is connected to the Skydio and also connected to my phone. So my phone is just here in case I want to see on my actual screen, or I can fly the whole thing through the beacon. I think also before I take off, I want to go ahead and put on a filter. Nice and bright out here. Let's throw that on there. Click on the two buttons here that are blue. And I'm supposed to get a launch. Look at that. Beautiful. And now I need to give it just a little bit to actually lock onto me. Crazy. It's pretty awesome. Can't wait to try it on a bicycle or my scooter. Check it out. I'm also going to stay in the parking lot. I'm not going anywhere out to the street. This is just a test. So I can see it on my screen. Pretty nice. Look at that. I'm going to change its tracking to come around to the front of me. It should move around to the front when I start to move. Look at that. Right to the front. That's amazing. Wow. Fantastic. I'm not going to go out to the street. All I'm doing is testing here. I'm going to swing around and come back this way. Still looking at me in the front, which is amazing. Swinging around to the front again. You can look here on the beacon. I'm actually going to tell it to go to the right of me. And there it goes, right to the right of me. Look at that. It's going to land right on the case. Pretty amazing. Perfect. Great day of flying with this thing. Take care. You guys have a great day.